welcome to another episode of Cupcake. I know that you just did it. Cupcake. Today I have something a little bit extra special. We're not baking any cupcakes. Sounds rich. But today I'm going to make it all about you. Today it is Simply You Sunday. What does that mean, Cupcake Kel? Well, I'll tell you what it means. It means I want to thank every single one of you for all your comments, your likes, just that you absolutely get me. And I think it is just a great idea for me to give it all back to you, give all that love back. So today on Simply You Sunday, I'm going to ask the viewers, what cupcakes would you like to see Cupcake Kel make in her kitchen for the week ahead? I'm hoping that I can make it during the week or maybe on a Saturday. I'm not too sure, but it will fit in. What cupcake would you like Cupcake Kel to make this week? So I can't wait to read all your comments. Thank you so much again for all your support. I can't believe how much that you guys love cupcakes, and I can't wait to keep going with all of you. Mwah! See you guys, bye! Hey little cupcakes, don't forget to comment down below with your favorite cupcake that you want Cupcake Kel to make this week. And I will give a shout out to the chosen one.